Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to draw and paint realistic eyes. I would recommend using a reference as there are certain things to understand. As you begin, you need to map out the eye. You can measure the eye with your pencil and kind of see the angles. So angles change with the change in direction of the face. So I'm using a graphite pencil and I'm starting with a light sketch. I am starting with the outer shape of the eye, then the corner, and you would want to find where it starts and where it ends in your reference. So you would want to understand the basic shape of the eye. Eyes are more like an almond. If you look from a distance, they appear to be all circle and round, but they are not. They are actually a combination of various lines and angles. So there's a flat line under the eyelid, and you basically need to look at the various angles and just sketch them out. Once you're happy with the composition and you're confident with the drawing, you can just go a bit darker and just try to sketch more like binding the angles together. Okay, so now I'm going to paint this and I'll be painting with acrylics. I'll go dark to light. So anything that recedes or folds has to be done with cools, and anything that comes forward has to be done with warms. So it's really important to apply warms and cools in the right places. In case you haven't, do watch my video on color theory to understand warm colors and cool colors in detail. Okay, so I'm just painting loose. Just play around with the colors as is the first layer. Also, you can spray your sketch with a fixative or something so that the pencil don't bleed with the paint. I haven't sprayed anything, but you can do that. So I'm putting warms where I want things to pop out and cools where I want a fold to show. You don't want to draw a symbol of an eye, so identify the colors in the eyeball. If the eyes look brown, don't apply a brown directly. You've got to apply a mix of shades maturely, like a green, orange, yellow, or maybe gray. So just identify the outlines and everything as tones and shades. Many a times while painting an eyeball, it appears to our brain that the white of the eye is pure white, but it's actually not. It's a mix of brown, pale yellow, and even bluish gray. So don't just get stuck in the outlines. Soften the areas that need gesture form. Just move around the paint. I hope you're enjoying the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon, as I'll be coming up with the second part of the series too, where I'll paint another facial feature, so don't miss it. Okay, so I'm using white mixed with pale yellow on the highlights of the eye. Avoid using pure white, just analyze the shapes and angles with different shades. And the final touch on the shine, as it is the brightest part, and it's done. I hope the video was helpful. Do like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.